Saan pupunta? The current is very strong here in Secret Lagoon. Going to Secret Lagoon. Oh! 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 Ang dami to. Oo! Wag mong pipindutin sa ano. Wag mong pipindutin. Dito.
Island hopping in El Nido. It's not just paradise. It's an adventure filled with laughter, quarrels, suspense, and a few unexpected surprises. Stay with me. This is going to be one unforgettable ride. We started the day full of excitement, boarding our boat that will take us to some of the most breathtaking islands in El Nido. Spirits high, cameras ready, maybe a little unprepared for what was about to happen. Meet our captain and crew, our lifeline for the day. Trust me, before the end of this trip, we'd be needing them more than we ever thought.
So, my name is Joma, so in your tour guide today, my partner, Kuya Kina. Good morning! So we have two tour guides na captain boat. Literal captain boat, go to Ala without map compass. Graduated from Harvard University.
Trust me, after this tour, we're all about to graduate from Haggard University ourselves. Our first stop, Seven Commandos Beach. Powdery white sand, coconut trees everywhere. Alright, time to unleash my inner Tarzan. Hello Hollywood, you can call me anytime. I still have available slots in my schedule. But paradise was just beginning. Our next stop, the world famous Big Lagoon. And here's where things got complicated. None of us had kayak experience, so instead of us deciding where to go, the kayak was the one in charge.
Hindi marunong nga siya kasi hindi nga alam ang dagat.
Saan nakakita ng pataginit papunta doon?
Wait lang, huwag ka na makialam ha, huwag ka makikialam. Ay, nako pala, wait lang ha.
one point, we nearly collided with other kayaks and boats.
Lala, nagkaroon na tayo dito kay Kuya. Wait lang, babangga tayo.
Oops, babangga kayo. Tanda ko po.
Ay, ako talaga.
Oh! Ay, nako.
That's when my wife started shouting commands.
Pag ganito, oh. Nakikita mo yung ginagawa ko. Ito, nakikita mo yung ginagawa ko.
Iyo!
Kaliwa muna. Yan. O, dito, kaliwa.
Too many commands issued at once. Left, right, forward, stop. So like a computer, I completely froze. Of course, I will not let my dignity be trampled on.
Ako na lang. Marunong na ako. Ah! O sige, pakita natin si Joey. Tinitingnan lang kita kanina eh. Kung marunong ka talaga.
But as time went on, things got hotter.
Hindi kami pupunta doon. Hindi kami pupunta.
Saan kayo pupunta? Sabihin mo, saan ka pupunta? Alay. Hindi ba doon?
Hindi kami pupunta. Doon kami pupunta. Ayaw namin pumunta doon.
To cool things down, I decided to abandon the ship.
O sige, dyan na lang kayo. Pupunta ako doon. Kaya na nga yung bil.
Sometimes, enjoying the view is easier than paddling. The Big Lagoon, nature's own swimming pool.
Look at my hand. See? Look at my hand. How clear it is. It's like a swimming pool but on the sea.
Surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, a masterpiece carved by time. My wife said no to the narrow cave, but my son and I, challenge accepted.
So that is Bill doing the kayak. Bill is now doing the kayak.
Hindi kasi marunong eh.
He's the one driving the kayak because he's the one who knows how to do it. I don't know how to do it.
But just as I was praising my son's paddling skills,
Ayan, hindi laking dagat yan, pero galing mag-paddle, oh.
Hindi marunong nga siya kasi hindi ko alam kung dagat.
Arouch! Arouch! Nananadya ka, Bill, ha?
entering the cave wasn't easy. At times, we almost hit the rock.
Tatama ka na ng bato, bahala ka dyan. Ay, matatama ka na ng bato eh. Hindi ka kasi nagpapanan eh. Sipa mo! Tulakan mo, sipa mo. Yan.
Ayan.
Grabe. Ako na nagbubuhat sa'yo. Grabe.
Ayan. Ayan, nakapasok na tayo.
Ay, nako.
Oh, sa wakas, nakapasok na. Ayan. Ayun.
Inside, it felt majestic, like entering a cathedral made of stone.
Baliktad pala ako. Sorry.
O, danda lang, Bill. Makakabangga.
Grabe. Ayaw na yung. Chill ka lang. Tulak. Tandaan. Okay, sir. Wala ka man na nagamit kamay mo. Kaya naman yun. Init. Ano? Naramdaman mo yung pinag-iirapan ko pa.
Ayan. Ayan. Yan. Nakalabas. Sa wakas. At last, we were able to get out.
Hoy, anak mo pa, tatama ka na. Salamat ah.
Oh! Oh, galing, Bill. Ang galing ng paddle. Ang galing ng paddle, Bill. Ang galing ng paddle. Ang galing ng paddle ni Bill, oh. See?
Yung ano, yung anak niya, nagpapakirap yung tatay pa talaga hindi nagpapadel.
Tawa, galing. Galing ng paddle ng anak ko.
Once my son took charge, the kayak glided smoothly, and with that came silence, the kind where all you hear is nature's beauty around you. But the struggle wasn't over yet.
Sige. Okay,
Parang ako kanina. Hirap mo eh.
On our way back to the main boat, the balance was lost. Suddenly, water began rushing into our kayak, and before we knew it, the boat was sinking fast.
Oh,
Grabe
ang dami to. Oo. Huwag mong pipindutin sa ano. Huwag mong pipindutin. Mahulog. Hawak. Ay, sapatos ko.
Ito. Kanan.
Kaya mo na yun.
Kana. Hawak na kayo, hawak. Sir, dito makahawak kayo, ano sir, dito. Dito ka, huwag ka matakot. Dito. Hawak ka tayo sa anak ko. Yan, dito ka. Hawak ito sa lakan. Nasa lubid. Ayan. Sir, dito ka na. Hawak kayo. Sir, hawak. Sa likod ako ha, para balance eh. Kasama talaga sa package niya. Kailan hapon yan? Ang galing nyo. Ayoko na bumalik sa boat, pinagtitingan tayo.
At last, we made it back to the main boat, safe and sound. And none of this would have been possible without the courage and quick action of the incredible crew of Christiana Tours. To us, you were not just guides. You were true heroes. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. After that wild adventure, we finally made it to our next stop, Payong Payong Beach. In English, under my umbrella, Ella, Ella, eh, eh, eh. Time to recover and of course enjoy some food. And what better way than a feast? Shrimp, pancit, chicken curry, and fresh fruits. Energy restored, spirits lifted, and back to enjoying El Nido's beauty. Our next stop, the Secret Lagoon. Reaching it was not easy. Before we could even start swimming, the waves keep pounding our boat.
The current is very strong here in Secret Lagoon. Going to Secret Lagoon. Oh! 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 Oh!
But there was no turning back. The only way to reach the Secret Lagoon was to swim through the strong tides.
Dito. Okay ka na? Okay na.
Kasi dito! Huwag mo na!
Grabe, marunong na ba kayo? Kalma ka lang, grabe.
And just when we thought we made it, came the hardest part.
Higa natin, higa. Higa lang, higa. Higa lang sir, higa.
Now I know that the sea is really salty. But all the effort is worth it because what's waiting inside is nothing short of paradise. We stood in a circle with other travelers, sharing silence in awe.
A group films daw.
Dito kayo, stop, camera kayo. Ay, dito. Hindi kayo makita dyan. Ready, 1, 2, 3. One more, one.
Our final stop, Shimizu Island, a perfect end with crystal waters and hidden life. And just when I thought I'd seen it all, I spotted a salamander. Proof that even the smallest details make Palawan unforgettable.
So this one is bayawak. There is a bayawak here.
El Nido gave us laughter, quarrels, suspense, and breathtaking beauty. It's not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you forever. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more travels across the Philippines and the world.